Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So I will go, let me see how this candle is gonna close. It's closing above that. Yeah, I go with buyers right here. I was about to go with the sellers if we had this red candle right here. Okay, because we had this gap right here. What is happening? Oh, what is... Oh, this trade just turned off. What? Alright. That's so unlucky. I don't even... Okay, let's see if we're gonna win that. But yeah, the reason why I go with the buyers in this trade is because we rejected and closed above the round number. The round number played out as a level, and we closed a huge hammer candle above this. Obviously sellers would enter. Okay, but if we were closing as a red candle right there, but I would go with the sellers because there was still a gap to fill. Okay, so that was the first trade. That was very okay. Let me see. Okay, so we got this ranging market, and market's basically moving between these levels. Okay, you see that it's clearly moving between these levels. So when the candle touched here, we're expecting somehow reach to this level again. Okay, so at this market I will try to take my trades very safely because you see a lot of long wicks. Okay, you already know, in the market full of long wicks, try to enter at the long wicks. Okay, that's simple math. So when you're trading, entering in the long wicks, you're gonna have a higher chance of winning. For example, here, I want a long wick. I want this candle right here, and then I enter and close. Let me see if we're gonna get that, just like these ones. All right, it's coming up. Let's go. I enter right here. I can end I could wait for another, better entry somewhere here. Let me see if we're gonna get that. All right. Okay, we didn't get another entry. Sweet. This is crazy, right? You see how like every single candle has wicks? It's crazy, right? So you have to enter on the candle's wicks because of, better entries and better winning ratio. And here, I don't care if this is gonna be a green candle because my entry is just at the tip of this shadow above this round number, and we have this level right here as a round number, and it's going to resist the price coming up. Okay, so when you're trying to enter with marginal safety, try to enter above the levels. Okay, here I'm expecting a red candle, but let's see if we're going to get entry. I will enter above this line, which is this area. Okay, so it didn't give us entry. Okay, here you see that the trend is pretty clear coming down. Let's draw it. And this support area is playing a resistance rule for us. Let's see. And this is the exhaustion candle, clearly. Oh, we missed the chance, right? Yeah, I guess we're gonna come up for... Okay, we missed this chance right here. Let me see. Okay, if this candle is gonna close as a green one, I would go with the sellers. Not like this. I want this candle to close down here, under this round number. Otherwise, it's risky because this is also uptrend, and if we're gonna take this as a sell trade, it's basically against the trend. So I really want this candle to close below this round number. Otherwise, I'm just gonna go with the buyers for 2 minutes. Okay, let's go with the buyers for 2 minutes. This is an engulfing pattern. Come down, I will enter one more. Let's go in the direction of the trend. We also have this moving average support. Yeah, we can have this red pattern, like a red candle here, but since this is in the direction of the trend, that's kind of cool to go with the trend. Let's see. Okay. Here we have this ranging market, and the price is moving between the ranges. Okay, here it's trying to go up. It touched this area and it's trying to go up. So here I will go with the buyers after this candle. I hope we don't lose the 2-minute trades. Okay. Oh, it's risky. Okay. We go with the buyers right here. Oh my god. I was about to go for 1 minute. Oh! Okay, that's messed up. Huh. Okay, I basically have 4 trades running. 1 minute, like there's a trade 1 minute on this candle, and then there's a 2-minute trade, which I entered without considering, like looking at the like a time. And also we have 2 trades on this. I was expecting to break and go up because there was just a very strong bullish movement, but this is super unfortunate because this, like going with the trend on these kind of markets, is always giving very good results. Okay, so if you see me losing at this point, it doesn't mean that's not healthy, right? So we got 2 losing trades on this one. That's unfortunate. I can't do nothing about that. And we got another winning trade here and another running trade right now on this pair. So basically this trade right here, yeah, that's super unfortunate. So it seems that the market is not trying to break to the upside. It's gonna create a ranging market. Don't worry about the losses, I will make them up. I'll go with the sellers here. Go with the sellers here for 1 candle. Let's see. Okay, so we have this strong seller's entry, and this trade is about to be a winning trade. And oh, look at this gap, man. This candle closed exactly on this round number. Previously we have a couple of gaps, which means imbalance in this trend. This is not a super strong bullish trend. Don't confuse this one, okay? It's not super strong, but we have this seller's entry previous time here. Like, look at this one. This trend, compare this trend with this trend. Both have gaps. This one has gap up, this one has gap down, and respected this level, okay? But my problem with this trade is just this freaking trade started with this gap down, okay? It jumped on this seller's, the buyer's body, okay? This is the buyer's body. So anywhere at this body, it's gonna keep buyers to enter. So I will go with the buyers here for 2 trades. This was a very good trade, and if we had in this gap, but no problem, it's showing me buyers that they are trying to break this. So I go with the buyers for 2 minutes. And another seller's entry that you can consider is that you can connect the seller's entries. This is a seller's entry and another seller's entry. If you connect these, you're gonna reach this point. So this is another seller's entry you can count on. All right, so when this seller's entry didn't work here, it means that the buyers are super strong. Okay, so never try to fight with the momentum. This is momentum, but it's not strong momentum because it has some imbalances. Okay, but never fight with the momentum. Every time you see something unusual in the market, for example, this level not working out, this is something unusual. I wasn't expecting this, so there should be something, right? So we have buyers' strength in the market, but don't try to fight it. For example, imagine the next candle was something like this and dropping like this, okay? And I was losing these 2 trades as well. So I had basically 3 losing trades, okay? So most traders, when they have this situation, 3 consecutive losses, they lose their control, okay? I'm not saying I don't have emotions. I do have emotions, but if you have experienced enough, you know what the outcome of fighting with the market is. So if you're fighting with the markets and expecting another, like the next candle should be red, and then again we have this one. So again, you're expecting next candle should be red, and again going with the sellers, you're gonna like lose a crazy amount of trades. Okay, don't do that. So that's why always after having 3 consecutive losses, you have to take a break. That's the best thing you can do. Don't fight with the market, right? Yeah, that's it, boys. Thank you for watching, guys. And there's a link in the description that's free demo can that you can practice all of this in a free demo account. Thank you for watching. Peace out.